Hi everyone, myself Sukhman Singh and I am the lecturer in BSLP department, and today my topic of discussion is speech and language milestones. So by 6 weeks, child becomes stalled at loud noises, it's soothed by calm, gentle voices. By 3 months, child turns head towards a sound source, cries, gurgles, grunts, says vocalizes pleasure and displeasure sounds, laughs, giggles, cries, or fuses. By 5 months, make noises when talk to, watches persons, face with interest when they talk, tries to talk, enjoys talking, and smiles. By 6 months, a child coos and squeals for attention, has a special cry when hungry, understands some common words when used with gestures, bye bye, up, give me, and on name. Babbles, says ba 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 or ma ma ma. By 7 months, the child tries to sing along with radio, TV, laughs, and may imitate a cough. By 9 months, he tries to communicate by actions or gestures. By 10 months, tries to repeat sounds. 11 months, attends to a book or a toy for about 2 minutes, follows simple direction accompanied by gestures. By 1 year, an infant says 2 to 3 words to label a person or object. 15 months, tries to imitate simple words, enjoys being read to. At about 18 months, he follows simple commands without gestures, points to simple body parts such as nose, understands simple verbs such as eat, sleep, and he says 8 to 10 words, asks for common foods by name, makes animal sounds such as moo, starting to combine words such as more milk. By 2 years, a child should know about 50 words, knows some concepts such as in, on, knows pronouns such as you, me, her, knows descriptive words such as big, happy. Speech is becoming more accurate but may still leave off ending sounds. Strangers may not be able to understand much of what is said. At 2.6 years, answers simple questions, began to use more pronouns such as you, I, speaks in 2 to 3 word phrases, uses question inflection to ask for something, begins to use plurals such as shoes, socks, and regular past tense verbs such as jumped. At 3 years, group objects such as food, clothes, identify colors, uses most speech sounds. Strangers are able to understand much of what is said, able to describe the use of objects such as fork, car, etc. At about 3.6 years, the child has fun with language, enjoys poems and recognizes language absurdize such as is that an elephant on your head expresses ideas and feelings rather than just talking about the world around him or her. Uses verbs that end in ing such as walking, talking, answer simple questions such as what do you do when you are hungry, repeat sentences. By 4 years, a child understands spatial concepts such as behind, next to, understand complex questions. Speech is understandable but makes mistakes pronouncing long, difficult, or complex words such as hippopotamus says about 200 to 300 different words. By 4.6 years, a child uses irregular past tense such as ran, fell, describes how to do things such as painting. A picture defines words, list items that belong in a category such as animals, vehicles, etc. Answers why question. By 5 years, understand more than 2000 words, understand time sequence, carries out a series of three direction, understand rhyming. By 6 year, he engages in conversation. Sentences can be two or more words in length. Uses compound and complex sentences. Describes object. Uses imagination to create stories. And that is from the developmental milestones. Thank you.